Toyota revealed the European version of the Corolla Cross months after the North American premiere. The model completes Toyota SUV's lineup in Europe, allowing the Japanese manufacturer to boast the widest SUV range on the European market. The new model will rightfully sit between CHR and RAV4, completing the Toyota SUV lineup. Toyota admits these models complement each other, especially CHR and the Corolla Cross. Specifically, the Corolla-based SUV will be a more practical offering, whereas CHR appeals to style-oriented customers. The Nissan Qashqai rival sits on the TNGA-C mid-size platform, which it shares with the Prius, CHR and Corolla, and measures 4,460mm long, 1,825mm wide and 1,620mm tall. It receives Toyota's 5th generation hybrid powertrain, which promises greater efficiency and more torque. The updated system in front-wheel drive form uses a 4-cylinder 2.0-litre petrol and electric motor for a combined output of 196 brake horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint time of 8.1 seconds. The 4-wheel drive version adds a second 41 brake horsepower EV motor on the rear axle, but Toyota is yet to confirm performance figures. Improved efficiency is achieved by reduced friction, improved lubrication and uprated motor. Using the latest lithium-ion battery, the battery pack is more powerful and 40% lighter than before. Referring to its drivability, Toyota claims the system is more linear and controllable under acceleration, while vehicle speed better matches engine revolutions to provide a more intuitive and natural driving experience. The model gets a Europe-specific dashboard layout, including a new 12.3-inch digital cockpit and 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. It also has the maker's latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which offers a host of driver assistance systems such as a pre-collision system that slows down acceleration at low speeds and cut-in traffic assist. Over-the-air updates will keep existing functions up to date and add new ones over the car's life. The Corolla Cross goes on sale in spring 2022 ahead of deliveries in the autumn. Pricing has not been announced but is likely to be under £30,000 to position it between CHR and RAV4 pricing.